say, if you ever want to experience what hurricane feels like, come up to a place called Kitchener's Monument in the Orkneys on a breezy day, blowing about 60. But over here is the monument. You see it in the background there. It sits on top of the cliff. Where I am now is a point of land that has a very strange little wind effect going on. It feels like it's blowing about 20 miles an hour. But over where this little stone is, it's blowing about 100 miles an hour. If you can see that, I doubt if you can, but if you can see that, that is 110 mile an hour gust I just measured. Now if I walk over here, better catch that. Wow, I think that's the fastest I've ever run. Quite sure it wasn't my legs. Wow. The top 200-foot cliffs. Oh well, that's an adventure for you.